So this is a fantastic little electric razor from Glocker. Comes in this really nice bag where you have everything you need right inside, including some extras. So have a look at this. This is the razor itself, and you charge it up with USB-C, and it does come with a USB-C charger, which makes it great if you're traveling and maybe you don't have the right kind of plug. USB-C is pretty universal. Another really good feature about this thing is you can lock it. So basically, if you are traveling with this thing and you don't want like a shoe or something to like accidentally bump into it and it's going to make that noise or run out of battery, you can actually hold down and it will actually go into locking mode. It shows a little lock right there. That way, if you can't bump it and accidentally do that. So that's a really cool thing that they thought of. I love that. And you have the razor right here, which works great. It's great. You can take your hairs off really easily and quickly like that. And look at that, just that much right there. Oof. You can also use this if you want to not take so much off, but then they have a lot more attachments here. So you can pop this off just by pulling it, and you have your nose and ear trimmer, so you can pop that on, and I like how it pops on as well. It's not like a harsh snap or something like that. It's kind of like almost like a magnetic, so it kind of pops in there. I think it is magnetic, and that's ready to go. So there's that one. There is like the close shave razor that you can use that kind of contorts to your skin so you don't have to worry about it getting cut. And you have this one right here to get those tiny little spots that you need to get. And you have two of these. These are like what you'd use, for typical trims. And here's the other one right here. But what's cool about this now is they have different attachments to that, so you can get different lengths. You have 3 millimeters, 6 millimeters, 9 millimeters, up to 12 millimeters. And you can pop that on just by snapping it into place. So if you wanted to cut hair but not make it super short, you can do it that way. And it also comes with a comb, a double-sided comb. So if you wanted to kind of get up there and trim that, you can be a little bit more precise. And it has a little brush to clean it, and this little lubricant to keep it from breaking down. Now, the other thing that it comes with is probably going to be my wife's favorite thing, and that's this right here. You can actually put this thing on, and on the other side, there's these little suction cups that can go to the mirror, so that way when you are shaving, it's not going to get all over the place. It's going to stay right there, and you can dump it out somewhere else. Probably one of my biggest downfalls is having hair everywhere from shaving, and this is going to be a great way to stop that. So this is a great addition to that already awesome setup. You have everything you need here to trim, to cut, and to just keep yourself looking tidy. So all in all, great design, long-lasting battery, and highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.